Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday. We didn't eat strawberries.
Good morning.
So, I think what we're about to do is make a little, whatchamacallit, kind of like a commentary track. I made a wedding day video, but there's not, I don't know. To me, it seems like if you don't know what's going on, it wouldn't be so interesting. So I think I'll put up the raw video. I mean, not the raw video, but the edited video. But then I'll put up the same one with the commentary track, which I think most of you would probably prefer. And I think I'm having trouble explaining what a commentary track is to Mika, so we'll see how it goes. It might just be me talking. So if you don't like the sound of my voice, then I don't know why you watch these vlogs, but I don't know. If maybe you'll just prefer to watch the raw video. So there you go. どこ?
ちょっとなんか沖縄みたいだ。
それダメ?
だってね。綺麗じゃない?
Looks nice. Wow, really nice. Looks like a hotel.
ほら、美味しそう。
We're looking for we're looking at various restaurants where we might have our reception in Japan.
90人まで大丈夫だってよ。
I don't think it'll be that big.
でもそれぐらい大きいってこと。
It's good.
美味しそうじゃない?
Yeah, the food looks good. Well, it looks pretty good. I'm also about to write thank you cards. These are the thank you cards. I haven't done it. It's been a long time. It's been over a month since the wedding now. Well, about a month and a week or a month. How long since the wedding?
1 month.
So, yeah, I mean, I'm lagging it a little, but it's about average. I think everyone knows that after your wedding, you're a little pooped out for a while. So, I'm gonna write these and probably try and send them out. But I don't know where my list of addresses went, so I have to find that. You know where that is?
何?
My address list for all my guests.
ウェディングブックの中じゃない?
Oh, yeah, I bet it's in there. Okay, but I have a list of who was there. I just don't have the addresses on me. So I'm gonna write these, and we're gonna look at these, and then I'm gonna go to the comic book store. Yeah, and we'll see. Just kind of a lazy day, but we have things to do just at home.
どこなの? 六本木だった。
六本木? そしたら高いの?
1人5000円。
Oh, not bad. Can I try these chocolates? Yeah. These are a gift from our friend Marcus in Austria. Actually, one of his friends came to LA and delivered it about 2 weeks ago, but I think I lost that video. I don't know what happened to that day. I've never lost a day before. That's the first day I've lost, but I can't find the video. I think I deleted it on accident. So, this is something he gave us. So thank you, Marcus. And I'm gonna try one right now. Is that a dragon? That's good. It tastes European. It's from a company called Walter Heindl. That's my best German. Walter Heindl. That's really good. You want one? Still restaurant hunting. I'm still working on cards. I've only done 11 out of about 25. We're making rice. We're gonna have curry. This is our beautiful rice cooker from Japan. This is our beautiful curry from Japan. And this is our beautiful calendar from America. Ooh, beautiful.
もう8時半だね。
ね。8時半 in Japan, not here. Look, curry for lunch. I made the rice and warmed up the curry, so you're welcome, Mikarin.
ありがとう。
You wanna watch Kono or Royal Pains? Hank Med or Kono?
あれが2人じゃない？ブラックイッシュ。
Blackish? Yeah, we'll watch Blackish. Hulu and fresh off the boat.
うん。いた
Tadakimasu.
だきます。
Blue or silver? I'm gonna get one of these, I think. I don't know what the difference is. Mika bought cookies. She chose those. And we're back. You didn't even know we left, huh? Yeah, we left. We went to Target, Ralph's, and Vaughn's. We went to Vaughn's after Ralph's because they didn't have our... Well, they had our cream cheese, but it was expensive. It was like $2 more.
ホテル？
Yeah. Oh, and I got batteries. I almost forgot my batteries. You didn't get them, did you?
ホテル。
Ta-da. Energizers. Those are for my Game Boy Pocket. So I can work on my first ever LSDJ track. I'm excited about that. You look cold. Yeah. I think they're everywhere. Where do they come from?
Thank you.
In a cookie mood? Honey,
This is my dinner.
that's your dinner? All the cookies?
Cookie and apple.
Just one cookie?
Maybe 3.
Can I have 3?
いいよ。
Do the celery face.
No!
Celery face.
No!
Smell it.
臭い!
Mika hates the smell of celery. I don't know why. なんでそんなに悪いの?
臭いじゃん。
It's not that bad. We ate our lunch at around like 3:30. So Mika's not so hungry. She's just eating cookies. Huh? 4 o'clock. So I made myself a sandwich and celery. Say, You're watching Baby Daddy? You wanna watch Kono instead? After this, you can finish.
Can I finish for a minute?
Sure. I wonder what's going on. There's a lot of sirens going on.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's a chase. Mika threw away her shoes because she got new ones. Those were actually not her work shoes, but she got these guys, which are her new work shoes. I just put the final touches on the commentary track. It's saving right now. We're gonna cherish the last few minutes of our weekend, and we're getting ready to go to bed. So thanks for watching, and I guess we'll see you again soon. But these videos, I'm gonna probably put us on a hiatus for a while pretty soon, maybe after next weekend, I'm thinking. But I'll make sure you guys get at least probably next weekend, and then we'll see. So thanks for watching. Let me get her. we'll see you again next time. Bye bye.